Hey Rockstar, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel and also the series that I'm doing, VLOGMAS style for System IO. This all-in-one tool that literally could change your life if it is that you want to change it, right? Now, I know for the last couple videos, I've gone through a bit of what you need to set up on the back end and, how to kind of connect certain things, right? But in this video, I really want to talk to you about how you could become a brand ambassador for this actual tool, right? And I'm going to go ahead and leave the links in the description for you, whether it is that you want to get started with a free account or if it is that you want to get started with an account where you could get like a big discount off of the annual plan, right? I am on one of the largest annual plans that's offered by the system. And the reason why is because this tool actually generates a lot of income for me, right? If you look at this right here, the rate is actually a 60% payout rate, right? And over the last 30 days, as you can see, this has generated more than $250,000, right? And we're talking US dollars, right? And if you look right here, all time, this has paid out almost, if not more, because see, let's just look at the dollar amount, right? Because see, it showed the different versions, right? So this has paid out almost $7 million, right? In affiliate commissions. Now, I don't know about you, but guess what? This is me giving you a kick in the butt to let you know that gone are the days of you sitting down in your current situation, hoping for something to change, wishing for something to change. The reason why those days are gone is because, see, I'm pretty much exposing you to affiliate marketing, or where you're able now to put yourself in a position where you could promote a tool that people actually needs. All right, remember, earlier on in one of the videos, I went over and I shared with you the different options that are available, right? This tool, it allows you to build what is called a blog if it is that you are someone who is interested in blogging, right? You have the automation section where a whole lot of automation takes place, right? You now have a section where you're pretty much building an email list, right? You have the contacts tab where you could now go in and kind of offer or do what is called your own CRM, right? Now, let me just go back into the main dashboard for you to see something, right? So if you look at it right here, you see the different options. You have the calendar option, right? And you guys will always see this pop up because remember now, I didn't link my payment processor on the back end of this account because this is a test account for me to, show you the demos and whatnot, right? So you have the options where you're able to build websites, right? But I love that with this tool, it's ever changing, it's ever growing. So you see right here, this feature right here, it just rolled out the calendar feature, right? If any one of you are used to doing booking type of business online, or maybe you're someone who, you coach people, and once someone buys your coaching services, they now are redirected to Calendly, where they're able to select a time slot to be able to meet with you and all of that. You now have this feature inside of this system, right? So it's like instead of you having now to run a business in the online space and you're spread thin in terms of your tool stack, and your tool stack pretty much means the amount of different tools that you need in order for you to be able to have your business function properly. You're now able to bring a whole lot more stuff in-house in one tool, and that is covered underneath whichever option of the plan that you start with, right? Now, I love the fact that you see it, I call this unlimited capacity or unlimited potential. And the reason why I say that is because when you come over here onto the dashboard, right, you have your main dashboard, which we are on right now. You have the affiliate dashboard, right, which allows you then to see what is happening in terms of your affiliate. Because see, you see, just as how you could go to the marketplace like we were on just now, right, And you see right here where it gives the option for affiliate programs. You could have your own affiliate that is on here on the marketplace, right? And then guess what? Persons could come in the marketplace, just like how I showed you in the first video, how you're able to monetize. Persons could come now into the marketplace and they could grab your product and decide to go and promote it, right? You're generating the sale, but they're also getting a percentage off of it. So it's like you now are allowing people to eat while you eat. And I actually love that, right? So over on the dashboard, you also have the student dashboard, because remember now, if you are going to have or house your own program, your own e-learning product, you now are going to have students, right? So what this dashboard does, it allows you to see the progress, of the students who is going through what level of the program or course that you're offering. You understand? So I love that you get to see that clear vision or the clear picture of your actual business, right? And then also there is the marketplace that you are familiar with. Over on the contacts tab, I'm not even going to deep dive or anything whatsoever, right? So let me just go right here, right? Which is where I want to talk to you about how you could get serious in the online space right now. You could get started and become an affiliate for this tool right away. And like I said earlier, I'll leave the link in the descriptions for you to get started, right? But imagine you getting a slice of this pie right here, right? And if you're able now to see how much it is generated, it means then that there is a piece of the pie that is out there with your name on it. But in order for you to get that piece of the pie, you now have to pretty much come on the inside, right? So you're not able to leverage this, because what you could do is you now could go and you could create what is called strategic pieces of content, where you come in, you go through the certification process, you learn a bit about this tool, and you just take the learning in stages, right? You learn a bit about this tool and you go and create content on what it is that you learn. And when you create the content on what it is that you learn, you are putting it out there on the internet, whether it's on YouTube, whether it's on Instagram, whether it's on TikTok, whatever platform you choose, you put it out there, right? That content that you are putting out there, it is called a digital real estate, and it stays out there for you working on the internet 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, right? But let me stretch your mind a little bit. Imagine you doing that 4 or 5 times for the week, right? And you have all of these digital assets that's out there working for you, and they're driving the traffic or the eyeballs to what it is that you're talking about, the value that you're sharing. Chances are what's going to happen is you're going to find that people take that next step with you. And with them taking that next step with you, it's going to equate into you actually getting a piece of this pie. So, my friend, guess what? I thought this was a no-brainer. And I remember when I did it and set this up for the first time, and I got my first affiliate commission for about 119 US dollars, right? And when I tell you my mouth dropped open to the floor, it dropped open to the floor. The reason why my mouth dropped open to the floor is because the affiliate commissions or affiliate payouts that I'm used to getting, that's like a little $6 here, a little $8 there, a little $7 there, right? But when I saw the power of this, and I see that this is a tool, it's constantly being improved and things are happening, I said, it's a no-brainer. I need to now ensure that I add this as a part of my business offerings to let people know the benefit or the power of this tool, so that they could now come on the inside and use it, and they could be brand ambassadors for it, so that they could be building themselves an income by default. Because here is why it makes sense, right? We refer things every single day. Like right now, I don't know what's the new series that is out on Netflix, but the minute something new comes out, guess what happens? There's a bunch of us that's raving about it. Oh, I just watched this series on Netflix. You guys should check it out, right? But what you're actually doing is you're actually doing affiliate marketing and not getting paid. With this, you could actually promote this tool that is doing so much for people out there. And then now you're doing the same thing that you're doing, you're able to get compensated for it, right? Again, I'll leave a link in the description for you to go ahead and check it out for you to get started. You just don't sit on the sidelines, all right? And again, I don't want to make these videos for the Vlogmas series too long, so I just wanted to share that with you, all right? And I'll definitely see you over on the other video where I'm going to share with you a simple way for you to get started with what is called a business in a box opportunity that you could plug into this automated system to have it start generating income for you, like income on steroids, all right? I'll see you guys on the next video.